How to change the aspect ratio of video in CapCut mobile app. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the CapCut application on your device and make sure to select a project over here. As you can see on the screen, I've already selected a project. So what you simply need to do is, you can see there are different options at the bottom of the screen. So just drag it to the left and here you can see the option of aspect ratio. So select on it. Now as you select on aspect ratio, you'll be able to see different options over here as well. So you can see there are aspect ratios for different platforms as well. So I'm going to select a random one over here. So if you want to put it over here, so you can select different aspect ratios. You can check the previews as well on how it might look with different aspect ratios over here. And if you are done, you can then tap on check mark, and as you tap on the check mark, you'll be done. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.